What's Gucci? Your girl forgot to record the intro, but Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. What's up? It is Vlogmas Day 6 today, and I actually recorded this video today. But as you see, this is the hairstyle y'all about to watch me do. Ooh, excuse me, that's nasty. Obviously, you know, it's like the end of the day, so it doesn't look as crisp as it was looking at the beginning, but it's crude. So go ahead, watch that video, make sure you're subscribed, like the video, make sure you've been watching Vlogmas, because I'm funny. And I got some good content going out right now. So yeah, make sure you're caught up on Vlogmas. Especially if you need some gift ideas. There's a bunch of videos already in the playlist on gift ideas. If you just want to watch like a vlog, I have a decorating vlog. So yeah, go check out that playlist. And let's get into this video. Alright, so I'm starting on an old twist out. It's about 3 days old. And I'm just going to go ahead and tell y'all the lighting at the beginning is trash. And I'm sorry. I'm working on my lighting. Bear with me. But now I'm just going to go ahead and section off my hair into 2 halves. I want the front to be kind of like obviously a smaller section than what I leave out in the back. Like, oh my gosh, this lighting sucks. But yeah, so once I kind of get how much hair I want in the front, I then go ahead and put the back in a ponytail so that I don't get it mixed up. And then I'm going to start picking out the front so I can get some more volume on it. I like to do my ends too, just because I kind of like the frizzy look for this hairstyle. I don't want it to be perfectly defined. I want it to have volume. So now I'm just brushing out my hair, smoothing things down so that I can apply some gel. Got my Eco Styler. So once I get enough gel, I'm going to go ahead and rub that in. I'm going to work it around all my edges. I like to use the gel first when I'm doing these types of sleek styles, and then I'll go in with my edge control later. But I just like to smooth it, and getting my hair super smooth is a struggle. Like, I feel like most gels still create some type of curls or frizz because they're all water based. But this gel does get my hair still pretty sleek. So once I get my edges pre-swooped, not the official swoop, the pre-swoop, then I just go ahead and do my ponytail. Make it as tight as possible, as smooth as possible. Obviously, it's not always perfect, but with the way that I lay my hair for this half up, half style, it doesn't really matter if it's perfectly smooth. So now I'm just going in with my edge booster, and I'm going to swoop these little edges of mine. This side always swoops perfectly. It's the other side that makes me mad. The other side never wants to swoop like this side, and I get so frustrated. But I just try to remember that I literally have 2 different textures on both of those sides. So once I get it looking the way it needs to look, I then am going to put on my silk scarf so that this can get nice and laid and sleek. And to kind of speed up that process after I fluff my hair, you guys are going to see me pull out a blow dryer and get my edges. But first I'm focusing on this hair of mine. I like it to be nice and voluminous and fluffy. I don't put oil in my hands for this part because I want the frizz. And then I just also go in with the pick again. And this is just like pre-fluffing because we're going to do one more fluff after this too. So now you see me with the blow dryer. Like I said, I'm just trying to get my edges nice and set because I had things to do. So I didn't really have 30 minutes to just leave my scarf on. I had to get it done quickly. So this is a pro tip. And then after I got my hair somewhat, or my edges set, then I'm just going to go through. I see a piece I need to separate. I just like to make sure my curls look even. Like I said, kind of frizzy. And then I take off my scarf, and those are my edges. Everything is swooped. And now I'm just fixing my front of my hair to the front. Like I pull it towards the front. I kind of like it to have this kind of layered look. And then I just go in with my pick again so that everything kind of looks put together, you know, nice and big, but like still like falling together. I like the top ponytail to look like it's part of the bottom ponytail in a way. So once I get everything kind of arranged and you see another curl clump, go ahead and separate it real quick. But that's all. It's super easy, and this is a great style for Christmas if you don't feel like doing your hair in the middle of the week and you just have an old twist out and you want to spruce it up. This is the perfect style. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the back of my hair. And as you see, the back of my hair, it just looks like a normal half up, half down. It is pretty defined. I might share you guys my twist out routine soon, but that is the video. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure you are subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Remember to follow my Instagram. Bye.